Hey everyone, get ready for a deep dive into the dynamic world of public relations. Today, we are unveiling strategies and skills that are essential for your agency's growth. Welcome to PR Mastery, navigating challenges and expanding horizons. In this segment, we are not just scratching the surface. We are exploring crisis management, leveraging monitoring tools and analytics, and even considering industry specialization. Buckle up because we've got insights that will redefine your PR game. Crisis management. Within the expansive domain of public relations, the facet of crisis management emerges as a critical and often indispensable aspect. A valuable skill set for PR professionals involves not only addressing but proactively navigating and mitigating potential crises on behalf of clients. This proficiency encompasses strategic planning, proactive measures, and the deployment of effective communication strategies to ensure resilience and reputation preservation during challenging times. Proactive planning. The essence of crisis management in PR is rooted in proactive planning. Anticipate potential challenges and vulnerabilities that could emerge for your clients. This involves conducting thorough risk assessments, identifying possible scenarios, and devising strategic plans to address each one. Proactive planning positions your agency to respond swiftly and effectively when faced with unexpected challenges, minimizing the impact on the client's reputation. Effective communication strategies. At the heart of crisis management is the ability to communicate effectively under pressure. Develop clear and transparent communication strategies that align with the nature of the crisis. This involves defining key messages, identifying appropriate communication channels, and ensuring consistency in the dissemination of information. Crafting a communication plan tailored to the specific crisis helps your agency manage the narrative and maintain control over the messaging. Timely and transparent responses. In the face of a crisis, timely and transparent responses are paramount. PR professionals skilled in crisis management understand the importance of swift action. Whether it is addressing public concerns, providing updates, or clarifying misinformation, a prompt and transparent response contributes to maintaining trust and credibility. Proactively taking control of the narrative allows your agency to shape the conversation around the crisis. Adaptability and flexibility. Crisis situations are dynamic, requiring a high degree of adaptability and flexibility. PR professionals adept in crisis management understand the need to reassess and adjust strategies based on evolving circumstances. This involves staying agile, continuously monitoring the situation, and being prepared to modify the communication plan as needed. Adaptability ensures that your agency can navigate the unpredictability inherent in crisis situations. Preserving reputation. Ultimately, crisis management in PR is about safeguarding and preserving the reputation of your clients. This goes beyond resolving immediate issues to crafting a long-term strategy for reputation recovery. By strategically managing communication, addressing concerns, and demonstrating accountability, your agency can contribute to the restoration of trust and the preservation of the client's standing in the eyes of their audience. In essence, crisis management is an integral component of PR that requires a specialized skill set. PR professionals equipped with the ability to proactively plan, communicate effectively, respond timely, adapt to changing circumstances, and preserve reputations during crisis play a pivotal role in guiding clients through challenging situations and maintaining their credibility in the public sphere. Monitoring and analytics. In the ever-evolving landscape of public relations, the strategic use of monitoring tools and analytics becomes paramount. Utilizing these resources to measure the success of PR campaigns not only provides valuable insights but also enables your agency to demonstrate the impact of its efforts in a tangible and data-driven manner. This practice not only enhances your agency's credibility but also serves as a guide for refining future strategies based on empirical evidence. Implementation of monitoring tools. Effective PR campaigns are grounded in the thorough monitoring of key metrics and performance indicators. Leverage a variety of monitoring tools that align with the goals of your campaigns. These tools can include social media analytics, website traffic analysis, media coverage tracking, sentiment analysis, and other relevant data sources. By employing a comprehensive suite of monitoring tools, your agency gains a holistic view of the campaign's reach and impact. Data-driven measurement of success. Demonstrating the success of PR campaigns through data-driven insights involves setting clear and measurable objectives from the outset. Define key performance indicators or KPIs that align with campaign goals, whether they are increased brand visibility, audience engagement, positive sentiment, or specific conversion metrics. Regularly analyze and interpret the data generated by monitoring tools to gauge the extent to which these objectives are being met. Enhancing credibility through insights. In the realm of PR, credibility is built not only on storytelling and relationships, but also on the ability to quantify and showcase results. By utilizing monitoring tools and analytics, your agency gains the ability to offer concrete evidence of the impact of its efforts. Tangible data, presented in a clear and compelling manner, enhances your agency's credibility, providing stakeholders with a transparent view of the outcomes achieved. Refining future strategies. Beyond mere measurement, the insights derived from monitoring tools serves as a roadmap for refining future PR strategies. Analyze the data to identify patterns, trends, and areas of improvement. Are certain types of content more effective? Are specific channels driving the most engagement? Use these insights to inform strategic decisions, allocate resources effectively, and optimize future campaigns for greater success. Adapting to evolving trends. The digital landscape and media environment are dynamic. Undergoing constant changes, monitoring tools allow your agency to adapt to evolving trends by staying informed about shifts in audience behavior, emerging platforms, and changing sentiments. This adaptability positions your agency to proactively respond to the evolving PR landscape, ensuring that strategies remain relevant and effective. In essence, the utilization of monitoring tools and analytics is not just a post-campaign analysis. It is an ongoing and integral part of the PR process. By embracing data-driven measurement, your agency not only enhances its credibility by showcasing tangible results, but also cultivates a culture of continuous improvement, adapting strategies to align with evolving trends and consistently delivering impactful outcomes for clients. Industry specialization. Consider the strategic move of specializing in public relations for specific industries or sectors. This deliberate focus on a niche within the PR landscape positions your agency to become an expert in a particular area, allowing you to cater to clients with specialized needs. This approach not only cultivates a deeper understanding of industry dynamics but also establishes your agency as a go-to authority, fostering credibility and client trust. Strategic alignment with industries. Choosing to specialize in PR for specific industries involves a thoughtful alignment of your agency's expertise with the unique needs and challenges of those industries. Whether it is a healthcare, technology, finance, fashion, or any other sector, this focused approach allows your agency to tailor its services to the intricacies of each industry, demonstrating nuanced understanding of its nuances and requirements. Deeper understanding of industry dynamics. Specialization brings with it the opportunity to delve deep into the dynamics of a particular industry. It involves staying abreast of industry trends, regulations, and emerging issues that impact your clients. This nuanced understanding not only positions your agency as a valuable resource, but also enables you to anticipate challenges and proactively address them, contributing to the success of your clients within their respective sectors. Becoming an industry authority. As your agency becomes synonymous with PR expertise in a specific niche, it naturally evolves into an industry authority. Clients within that industry are more likely to seek your services due to your proven track record and specialized knowledge. The reputation of being an expert of a niche enhances your agency's visibility, attracting clients who value the depth of understanding and tailored approach that comes with industry specialization. Catering to specialized client needs. Different industries have unique PR requirements and objectives. By specializing, your agency can tailor its services to meet these specific needs, whether it is crisis management, product launches, regulatory communications, or brand positioning. A specialized approach allows your agency to develop targeted strategies that resonate within the specific context of the industry, providing clients with customized and effective solutions. Building a niche network. Specializing in PR for specific industries facilitates the building of a niche network. Establishing connection with a particular industry, including influencers, journalists, and key stakeholders, becomes more focused and impactful. This network becomes a valuable asset contributing to the success of your agency's campaigns and reinforcing its position as a trusted player within the niche. In essence, specializing in PR for specific industries is a strategic decision that goes beyond just choosing a focus. It is about becoming an industry authority, tailoring services to specialized needs, and building a reputation for excellence. This intentional approach positions your agency as a go-to partner for clients within that industry, creating a competitive advantage and fostering long-term relationship based on trust and expertise. This opportunity is particularly exciting for those who enjoy building relationships, crafting compelling stories, and navigating the media landscape. As we explore more opportunities in the coming segments, stay tuned to find the perfect niche that aligns with your agency's strengths and aspirations. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master graphic design, elevating digital presence and brand identity. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.